Garni, the temple. The temple was dedicated to the pagan god of Sun Mitra, and it was built in the 1st century AD. Here is such an antiquity. Even more surprising is how it could survive, because after the adoption of Christianity, all pagan temples were destroyed. The fortress of Gardi was built in an inaccessible place on a rocky ledge on the bank of the Azat River. It was from here that the king of Urartu moved towards Yerevan, where he founded another fortress, Erebuni, which later became the capital of Armenia, Yerevan. The base of the temple is a high basalt podium, which can be reached only by steep stairs. Externally, Garni is very similar to the temple in Athens. Triangular roof and 24 giant columns.
It is not royalty that the walls and ceilings are very skillfully throughout. Even the Armenian master of sculpture were at their the best. In the 17th century, a strong earthquake occurred here, and the pagan temple of Garni was destroyed. Its pieces scattered along the river Jordan. But thanks to the hard work of the saints and local saints, the construction was restored. Near the cemetery, you can see the remains of the bed, the road place, and the forest, and